Hi, my name is Irina Suryaeva, and I want to tell you my story. It's actually a story of my family to work with the Kenneth Wilhelm Company. 4 years ago, my mother-in-law, who was 62 years old, she fell at work. The first thing we did, we called Mr. Wilhelm, Kenneth Wilhelm Company. They came and they did very good job in the hospital, in a place when she fell, and they collected all evidence and they collect everything supporting this case. And year after, it happened with me. You never predict what's gonna happen in your life. The first thing I did, I called Mr. Wilhelm Company while my mother-in-law case was still pending. So finally, my mother-in-law, she had a settlement of $100,000. She's 64 years old, she lives in Lithuania. So I think it's good amount of money to enjoy her life, but retirement. So, and 2 weeks ago, I received a settlement for $500,000 from Kenneth Wilhelm. And I want to thank him very much, and especially Judy. Judy gave me not just stability, she gave me not just, she gave me support, she gave me her heart, and she helps me to go through these problems during the 3 years, and finally we had reward, $500,000 in my hands. And guys, if something happened in your life, don't hesitate to call Kenneth Wilhelm for help. Thank you very much, and God bless you.